Rebel Canners, teaching food preservation, including all of the old ways. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. Here's a quick tip for you. When we're talking about water, a lot of times we will take, and if you have an extra space in your canner, you take and fill a jar. This is a mayonnaise jar. So, you know, this is an older one. It's the heavier glass, and I still use them for a lot of things. So if you have an extra space in your canner, it's always better to fill that. And so I will stick in a jar with just water. And why would I want to do that? Why would I want to have cans of water on my thing? Well, I do that because I like to go camping, and this way I know that I need 2 cups of water for my pancake mix. Boom, 2 cups right here. Or I'm going to need 2 cups of water for whatever. I have it pre-measured, ready to go. My jars are stored that way, are clean. So I can open that up, use that water in my water bath for water bath canning. Nothing wrong with that water. I could use that water to drink. If my well went out, I would not have to worry about pumping water. I would have some water stored that I could use for drinking water and cooking. It'll be sanitized, and so I wouldn't have to worry about bacteria or things like that in it. It would be safe for drinking. So just a quick tip Tuesday, if you have a space and an empty jar, fill it. Store them like that instead of, it takes just as much space on my shelf to store this empty jar as it would to store this jar with water in it. So fill your empty spaces. Thank you. Find us on Facebook. Rebel Canners Cookbook is available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and Walmart online. Stick with us. The best is yet to be.